Start. In the present case, as the record shows, charge sheet has already been submitted by the investigating officer before the court concerned. Trial is to be continued. The witnesses are more so inside the family and amongst the native villagers. Therefore, there is no possibility of fleeing away from the process of the court. Keeping into mind the valuable right of personal liberty and the fundamental principle not to disbelieve a person to be innocent unless held guilty, and if he is not arraigned with the charge of an offense for which the law has put on him a reverse burden of proving his innocence, as it is held in the judgment of Honorable the Supreme Court in Data Ram Singh versus State of UP and others, reported in 2018 3 SCC 22. I find force in the submission of learned counsel for the bail applicant to enlarge him on bail. Keeping into mind the grief and braveness of the family who have lost their daughter, though the accused applicant in the present case may be granted order to be released on bail, but some conditions also need to be incumbent on him in a bid to compensate to the bereaved family to an insignificant extent. Let the accused applicant involved in case crime number 511 of 2021 under section 304 of the IPC, registered at Police Station Sandana District, Sitapur, be released on bail only on paying rupees 5 lakh through a bank draft in the name of the mother of the deceased, namely Srimati Santi Devi, wife of Ramnath, and on his furnishing a personal bond of rupees 1 lakh and two reliable sureties of the like amount to the satisfaction of the court concerned, subject to following additional conditions which are being imposed in the interest of justice. If proceeding for cancellation of armed license is not done, the district magistrate Sitapur is required to initiate proceeding in accordance with law for the purpose to cancel the armed license of the accused applicant in circumstances of the case. The applicant shall file an undertaking to the effect that he shall not seek any adjournment on the dates fixed for evidence when the witnesses are present in court. In case of default of this condition, it shall be open for the trial court to treat it as abuse of liberty of bail and pass orders in accordance with law. The applicant shall remain present before the trial court on each date fixed, either personally or through his counsel. In case of his absence without sufficient cause, the trial court may proceed against him under section 229A of the Indian Penal Code. In case the applicant misuse the liberty of bail during trial and in order to secure his presence, proclamation under section 82 CRPC is issued, and if the applicant fails to appear before the court on the date fixed in such proclamation, then the trial court shall initiate proceeding against him in accordance with law under section 174A of the Indian Penal Code. The applicant shall remain present in person before the trial court on the dates fixed for opening of the case, framing of charge, and recording of statement under section 313 CRPC. If, in the opinion of the trial court, absence of the applicant is deliberate or without sufficient cause, then it shall be open for the trial court to treat such default as abuse of liberty of bail and proceed against him in accordance with law.